Wow. You can't believe how dark that is. Oh, it's getting darker out there. Stand back here, you can see front the end. Look at that cars behind that black cloud. That is lightning. Oh, it's moving forward now. It's moving. I think the storm just died out. I can tell because the black clouds are dying out a little bit. Alright, we can still be outside because the black stuff is right there. Hey, you know, Mom, go look. Am I from first way or no? Oh, I come in with this. Hold on a minute. Alright. And Mom, please go check the way off sometime, or you can look at it, cause I can tell that storm's dying out. It's dying out. Ooh. I think the storm is popping up. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, no lightning strikes. No nothing. Alright. Where's very cloud from moving? Moving that way, moving that way. Okay, storm clouds are moving slowly. Let me post on YouTube. Let me go check the way off. I think we're under severe thunderstorm warning for this area. I will say yes. Yeah. Do you know? I think it's rotating. Will you turn on my room camera, please? I can tell that cloud is rotating.
That's why I wear translucent lenses and adjust to changing light and help protect my eyes.
I need to check the radar, you know. I want to see how bad that is.
You know, 22 they got live radar too now. They ain't broken the TV yet.
Not severe thunderstorm. Look at that black cloud. It's black outside. Oh my God.